You posted your first video, maybe your second, and right now it feels like nothing is happening. 0 views, slow subscribers, dead silence. But here is what nobody tells you about YouTube. The real game does not even start until video 10. And in the next 60 seconds, I am going to show you exactly what happens to your channel when you get there. Most creators quit between video 3 and video 7, not because YouTube stopped working, because they could not see what was building underneath. Here is the truth. Every video you post is data. YouTube is collecting it silently. Who clicked? Who watched? Who stayed? Who subscribed? Every single number is a lesson YouTube is learning about your channel. But 1 video is not enough data. 3 videos is not enough. YouTube needs a pattern, and patterns take at least 10 videos to form. Here is exactly what happens at each stage. Video 1 to 3. YouTube has no idea who your channel is for. It is testing randomly. Views are low, subscribers are slow. This is completely normal. Video 4 to 6. YouTube starts recognizing a pattern. It begins showing your videos to a more specific audience. CTR starts improving. AVD gets better. You might not notice it yet, but the machine is learning. Video 7 to 9. YouTube now has real data on your viewer. It knows their age, their interests, their watch habits. It starts recommending your older videos automatically. Views on video 1 and 2 start coming in without you doing anything. Video 10. This is where everything changes. YouTube has enough data to confidently push your content. Channels that reach video 10 consistently see a sudden jump, not because of luck, because the algorithm finally has enough lessons to act on. So here is your challenge. Commit to 10 videos. Same topic, same viewer, same day every week. Do not check views after every upload. Do not change your niche after 3 videos. Do not quit because video 4 got 12 views. Just post every week until 10, because your channel is not dead. It is just loading, and video 10 is where it wakes up. Go make the next one.